Hello students, today we will study the EVS subject. So all of you open page number 44, chapter number 9, Healthy Habits. Now children, here is an activity for you all. Look at the picture below, put a tick at what you do and a cross at what you don't do. Then discuss why. Now look at the first picture. Eating a fruit is a healthy habit? Yes, so put a tick. Bathing, yes, then put a tick. Brushing your teeth, it is a good habit, so put a tick mark. Eating the junk food, it is very bad for your health, so put a cross. And washing your hands, it is a good habit, so put a tick mark. Now our first topic is good habits. Our body is made up of many parts, as you all know children, that work for us is different ways. We should take care of our body. We should keep it healthy and clean. So it is our duty children to keep our body healthy and clean, and we should take care of our body. Something that we keep doing often becomes our habit. We must follow some good habits to keep our body healthy. Children with a healthy habits stay fit and fine. Some of the good habits are, now you children, you all want to stay fit, so you should all follow the good habits. Now let us see which are the good habits to stay fit and fine. So first one is, we should eat food that is good for our health. For example, fruits and vegetable. We should not eat like this burger and pizzas. Then second one is, we should drink plenty of clean water every day. Plenty means lots of water. We should not drink water that is not covered. Now children, the water which is left uncovered, we should not eat such type of water. We should drink the clean water. It might have germs in it. It might have germs in it. Germs means it is a very small living thing that which it can make you sick. Drinking water with germs can make us ill. So these are all the healthy habits you should follow in your life. Now, see the food which is healthy. As I told you earlier, fruits, milk, fish is a healthy food, then vegetables and eggs. So these all are the healthy food. Our body needs rest too. We should sleep for at least 8 to 10 hours daily. How many hours children? 8 to 10 hours. Children who get enough sleep grows up healthy and happy. If you will sleep for 8 to 10 hours, then you will be healthy and happy. Playing games and doing exercises help us to stay fit. Now see, what should we do for staying fit? In the morning we should go for the jogging, we should do swimming, and we should play also. So this will keep our body fit. Now our next topic is staying clean. Now children, how we can stay clean? Now let us see. If we keep our body clean, we will stay healthy. Some good habits you should follow every day to stay clean are. Now let us see which are they. First one is brushing your teeth twice a day, once in the morning and once before going to bed at night. So what you should do children? You should brush your teeth 2 times in a day, once in the morning and once at the night. Cutting your nails when they grow long. It is very bad habit to keep the long nails. So you should cut your nails so the germs don't go into your mouth while eating. Third one, washing your hands before and after the meals. Before eating anything children, you should wash your hands. Washing your hands with soap and water after going to the toilet. So you should wash your hands after using the toilets. Having a bath every day with soap and water. You should bath every day with soap, and water. Wearing clean clothes. You should always wear the clean clothes. Don't wear the dirty clothes. Washing and combing your hair. You should also keep your hair clean and comb your hair. We use many things to keep our body clean. Some of these are. Now let us see which are the things to keep our body clean. Turn your page. First one is toothpaste, toothbrush, hair oil, soap, nail clipper, comb, shampoo. So these all are the things by which you can keep your body clean. Now our values. We should eat well and take care of our body. We should stay clean and have a good habit. It will help us to stay healthy and fit. As we already learned from this chapter that how we should stay fit and how we should keep our body clean. So this is how we can keep our body clean and stay fit.